The 1997 Voyager. The Plymouth Voyager, manufactured by Daimler Chrysler, is the vehicle that has helped to change the landscape of the auto industry. This is the minivan that has brought minivans into the lives of millions. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, cruise control, passenger airbag, tachometer, power mirrors, rear wiper, tilt steering wheel, rear spoiler. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.